cheers. Welcome to the first of hopefully many Midwest Sound video updates. This is Ski Cat. I'm Dan McMahon. The last week or so we've had My God the Heat, a band from Rockford, Illinois, here in the studio. It's comprised of Rockford music legends Stu Johnson and Tony Chrisman, and they've teamed up with Jake Dixon and Ron Rahoof and have formed this new project called My God the Heat. Our friend Ed Dulian, who is an engineer, has been in helping and really turning this record into something pretty cool and pretty rocking. So that's something to look forward to here in the next couple months, and got a little glimpse of what it was like going on in there. Take a look.